Ready, Archana?
Okay, sir.
Okay, you started. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, right. So far we discussed about the digestion system as a part of coordination in life processes in the lesson. Okay, na? So how metabolisms are life processes are interrelated with each other. Okay, na? అవి ఎలా ఇంటర్రిలేట్ అయ్యాయి అనే విషయాన్ని మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవడం కోసం we studied about the digestion system. ఓకేనా సో to execute the digestion system process there are involved other systems also like respiration and circulation coordinations also involved in the digestion process. Is it right? Right. So let us discuss about the digestion system again in this class. Okay, in class we know digestion system gurinchi. Okay, we know that there are what are the parts are there in the digestion system. Our digestion system starts from the mouth. There are 9 parts in our digestion system. You know that? Right. So they are our digestion system start with the mouth. Next, buccal cavity and pharynx. Yes. So they are the parts of our digestion system. Right? Right. So mouth is the entrance of our digestion system. Mouth is the entrance. So where from food enters into our mouth. Okay? So mouth and it is the entrance. After that mouth enters into the buccal cavity. Okay? Right. So our buccal cavity contains tongue and teeth. Okay? So when food enters into the our buccal cavity contains the 3 pairs of salivary glands. Buccal cavity lo this is from the mouth. Okay? So mouth lo manaku 3 pairs of salivary glands untai. Okay? Here they are showing these are the salivary glands and one is will be our ear inside. Okay? So 3 salivary glands will be there. They releases the saliva. And that saliva when we mastication means chewing the food material. Okay na? So మనం food material ఎప్పుడైతే mastication చేస్తా ఉంటామో saliva mixes with the food material. Okay na? Saliva mixes with the food material. And our tongue what does it do? It means it pushes the food material teeth. Okay na? It pushes the food materials towards the teeth. And our tongue helps to feel the taste of the food material. Okay? And tongue contains the taste buds in the papillae. There are 4 kind of papillae on our tongue. We know that. So there are circumvallate papillae, foliate papillae, finiform papillae, filiform papillae. Okay? Both with those papillae we can feel the taste of the food material. Okay? So after that in our mouth there are 32 teeth are there. How many teeth are there? 32 teeth are there. They are arranged in 2 jaws. Okay, na? One is upper jaw, one is lower jaw. Okay, right. So there is specific arrangement in our teeth is there. Okay, na? Mana teeth lo specific arrangement anedi undi. So we can express the arrangement of teeth by the dental law. Okay, dental formula. There is one dental formula. So it represents the arrangement of teeth, how they are arranged in the half of the teeth, half of the jaw. Okay, half the jaw lo mana teeth unnai anedi a dental formula ద్వారా మనం we can express. 2 1 2 3. Okay. The number 2 is first 2 is the incisor teeth. Okay na? Incisor teeth helps to cut the food materials. Incisor teeth helps to cut the food material. Food material cut చేయడానికి మనకి ఏంటి యూజ్ అవుతుంది? Incisors exact center of our mouth will be there. మన center of mouth లో మనకు incisors will be there. And after that one number it represents the canines. Okay na? There are 4 canines in our mouth. Okay na? With the help of the canines we can tear the food materials. Okay? మన canines తో ఏం చేస్తాం we can tear the food material. And after that the premolars and molars will be there. Their numbers 2, 1, 2, 3. So 2 represents the premolars and 3 represents the molars. Okay, premolars and molars actually they are helps to crush the food material properly. Okay na? Food material ni baga crush cheyadaniki manaku avi use avutadi. Okay, right. So after mastication process, food becomes as the one round shape structure that is called as bolus. Okay na? Right. That bolus will be pushed into the esophagus through the pharynx. Okay na? Manaku pharynx nunchi manaku esophagus loki food material anedi enter avutadi. Pharynx is the one junction for the trachea and food pipe. Pharynx is the junction. Okay, it is a junction for the food pipe and trachea. So that junction will be regulated by one muscle, that is epiglottis. Okay na? Epiglottis ద్వారా మనకి అది రెగ్యులేట్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది. Okay na? It allows the food materials into the food pipe and it allows the air into the trachea. Okay, when we are swallowing, it closes the trachea and it opens the food pipe. Okay, so then from mouth to through the pharynx, food enters into the esophagus. Okay, esophagus connects the pharynx and stomach. Esophagus enters the pharynx and stomach ne connect. So if we look at our neck, so the one moving part is we can see now that is trachea actually. Okay na? Between the trachea esophagus will be there. Ante idi trachea kada din back side manaku esophagus unnadi. Okay na? Esophagus connects the pharynx and the stomach. Okay na? Here stomach is there. Okay, these are the lungs, heart and liver. Okay na? And this one is the colon. Okay na? Or large intestine, and these are the small intestine. Okay na? Right. So that esophagus connects the pharynx and stomach. Okay na? Pharynx ki stomach ni manaki esophagus connect chestu untundi. Okay, we can understand it and we can move on. This is the liver. Okay, right. This one is the stomach. Okay, right. These are the lungs and heart. Okay, right. So when our food material travels through the esophagus contains the one mucus layer. Okay na? Due to the mucus layer and the saliva, they helps to move the food material smoothly in the esophagus. While food material passes through the esophagus, we can see the movement of the food material, and due to the peristaltic movements in the esophagus, food moves downwards. Peristaltic movements ద్వారా మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, ఫుడ్ అనేది డౌన్వర్డ్స్ కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో అవర్ esophagus contains the two types of muscles, one circulatory muscles and one is longitudinal muscles. ఓకేనా? సో circulatory muscles and longitudinal muscles ఏం చేస్తాయి, they helps to movement the peristaltic movements in the esophagus. ఓకేనా? The contraction of the circular muscles, the diameter of the esophagus reduces above the food material. Food material పైన ఏంటి సర్క్యులేటరీ మజిల్స్ ఏమైతే కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతాయి, అందువల్ల అక్కడ డయామీటర్ అనేది తగ్గిపోయి ఫుడ్ పైన ప్రెషర్ అనేది పెరుగుతుంది, అందువల్ల ఫుడ్ అనేది కిందికి మూవ్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం longitudinal muscles in the esophagus they contract. Due to the contraction of the longitudinal muscles, the diameter of the food pipe will increases. So it also helps to easy movement of the food. Okay, from there food reaches to the our digestion system. Akkadi నుంచి ఏమవుతుంది, ఫుడ్ అనేది మన డైజెషన్ సిస్టమ్ కి రీచ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో అవర్ డైజెషన్ సిస్టమ్ it looks like a one sack. Okay, it is looks like a sack, and when food reaches to the digestion system, that what happens, one information will send to our brain, and that information will be analyzed by our brain, and it gives instructions to our stomach, and it starts the releasing secreting some digestive juices. మన digestive juices ని release చేస్తుంది. When our